this is the Oticon streamer. So if you have one of these in your basket, as well as a transmitter and a receiver. With this, you're going to, the power button is at the top, so we're going to hold it down. You'll see a green light. It's very light here, but there's a green light here. Then we want to add the receiver to the bottom. It only fits in one way. Now, in order to activate this, we need to press this side button, which is an auxiliary. When I press this button, it turns orange. Okay? This is worn around the student's neck, so this is an antenna. If this is short, you can unhook it and then wrap it around their neck, or if it's big enough to fit around their neck, that's fine. But this has to be around their neck. This is used with a Baja hearing aid called a Ponto. So this is the device that would be attached to their head. Like, never mind. Like that. So it's going to be attached to their head. Okay? So that is why this needs to be worn around their neck, because that antenna is then going to talk to that device that's that Baja that they're wearing, which is a bone-anchored hearing aid. Okay? So this is that transmission. This acts as the receiver or an audio boot if you've ever used that on another student. Now we need the teacher to wear a transmitter. So you may have a Roger touchscreen or a Roger Inspiro. Either one will work depending on which one's in your basket. Turn your device on. Once again, this has to be, you have to be close to the receiver. So we're going to hit the connect button, and it says Roger X connected. So now the teacher will wear this device. This is around the student's neck, and that will then talk to the device that the student is wearing, the Baja device. If you have the other transmitter, you turn it on the top, just like the other video shows, and hit the connect button right next to that receiver that's already attached, and it'll say Roger X connected, and it's done the same way. One other function that you can do, as we mentioned in the other video, where you plug in here and then to your device, to say a computer, and it'll go through, send the signal to the receiver, and then through the antenna to the device that the student is wearing. You can bypass that and hook it straight into here and do it the same way. And you wouldn't have to have this part if we're going to hook into a computer. Kind of depends on the student, whether or not they can handle having this hooked up to a computer. It might be easier just to give them that device since they're wearing this piece. But it is another option. And that is the Oticon streamer. To shut it off, you just press the button and everything shuts off. And that is the Oticon streamer.